Everyone thinks the best-selling action camera is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 action cameras that might surprise you.
Product number 1, Insta360 Go 3S. This tiny powerhouse packs 4K video and a ton of creative features into a camera that weighs just 1.4 ounces. If you want a compact, hands-free camera that can shoot stunning POVs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Go 3S stands out. The 4K resolution gives you the ability to zoom in and still see incredible detail, which is perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments. Plus, the flow state stabilization means your footage stays smooth, even in the heat of action. And with a battery life of up to 140 minutes, you won't miss out on any adventures. Just to give you an idea, over 1,000 units of this camera have been sold in the last month, indicating just how popular this little device is. Now, some people have complained about the AI editing feature not always picking the best moments. Here's the thing though, for those who enjoy manual editing, this isn't a deal breaker. It still provides amazing footage to work with. This is perfect for you if you're a vlogger or an outdoor enthusiast looking for an ultra-portable camera. Skip this one if you're after a full-featured DSLR experience on an action camera. At $319.99, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to capture their adventures with ease. Now, if the Insta360 Go 3S's battery life isn't enough for you, the next one on my list has some serious endurance.
Product number 2, DJI Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo. Priced at $496, this camera offers 8K video quality and advanced features that are hard to ignore. If you want to capture every scene in crisp detail, this is definitely worth considering. The standout feature here is the variable aperture of f2.0 to f4.0, which adapts to different lighting conditions. This means whether you're shooting at dusk or in bright daylight, you'll get sharp, vibrant footage. The advanced 360-degree horizon steady stabilization keeps everything smooth, so you can focus on your adventure rather than worrying about shaky footage. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear this camera is making waves in the market. However, some users mention that the menu can be a bit complex for beginners. But here's the thing, if you're serious about videography, the learning curve is totally worth the high-quality output you get. This is perfect for you if you're a serious content creator or vlogger who wants the best in video quality. Skip this if you're looking for something super simple without the advanced features. At $496, it's a premium choice, but the quality is hard to beat. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual users who still want great features.
Product number 3, GoPro Hero. Let's talk about the GoPro Hero. Priced at $219.99, this compact action camera is perfect for anyone wanting a reliable and easy-to-use option. If you're looking for a straightforward way to capture your adventures, this might be the one. The Hero shoots in 4K Ultra HD and captures stunning 12-megapixel photos, which is more than enough for beautiful highlights of your activities. It's waterproof up to 16 feet, so whether you're surfing or just caught in the rain, this camera can handle it. With its ultra-compact design weighing only 86 grams, you can easily take it anywhere. It's been flying off the shelves with over 1,000 purchases in the last month. However, some users pointed out the lack of advanced features like manual settings. But honestly, for someone who just wants to hit record and capture the moment, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, no-fuss camera for capturing everyday adventures. Skip this if you're looking for advanced settings and specifications. For $219.99, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if you want a camera with a little more power and versatility, the next option is definitely worth a look.
Product number 4, DJI Osmo Action 4. The Essential Combo priced at $275. This model takes low-light performance to a whole new level. If you often shoot in dim conditions, you should definitely check this one out. The 1.13-inch sensor captures stunning footage with minimal grain, ensuring your videos look great even in challenging lighting. Plus, you can shoot in 4K at 120 FPS, allowing for smooth slow-motion playback that enhances your storytelling. With a 160-minute battery life, it's built for longer shoots. Over 500 people have bought this recently, showing it's gaining traction. Some users reported the mounting system could be a bit tricky. But here's the deal, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how secure and effortless it actually is. This is perfect for you if you love shooting dynamic footage in varied lighting conditions. Skip this if you prefer a camera that's more intuitive right out of the box. At $275, you're getting great features for a reasonable price. Now, if you're after the ultimate in video quality, you definitely won't want to miss the last product on our list.
Product number 5, GoPro Hero 12 Black. We have the GoPro Hero 12 Black, priced at $269. This bad boy offers 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and some of the best stabilization features on the market. If you're seeking top-notch video quality without breaking the bank, this is it. The Hero 12 Black showcases impressive HDR capabilities, making it great for shooting in a variety of lighting situations. Its hypersmooth 6.0 is an industry leader, ensuring your footage looks absolutely professional, even during the most intense activities. Selling over 500 units recently, it's clear that this camera is a favorite among adventurers. However, some reviewers mentioned that the battery life could be better, but honestly, with the quality of footage you get, it's a trade-off that many are willing to accept. This is perfect for you if you prioritize high-quality video and professional features. Skip this if you're looking for a camera that's easy to navigate right out of the box. At $269, it offers fantastic value for anyone serious about capturing stunning visuals.
So, to wrap things up, we've seen the Insta360 Go 3S for its compactness, the DJI Osmo Action 6 for advanced features, the GoPro Hero for simplicity, the DJI Osmo Action 4 for low-light capabilities, and the GoPro Hero 12 Black for top-quality video. Each of these cameras has its strengths, so consider what features matter most to you before making a decision. Whatever you choose, all of them are great options for capturing your adventures.